Today, I'm bringing you something completely new, HD and Full HD viral AI videos using a powerful new software. I'll also share the link in the description below. Lately, you've probably seen those dog-themed AI videos going viral on multiple channels. These kinds of videos are getting millions of views, and the channels behind them are fully monetized, making thousands of dollars. Now, you can do the same. Yes, you too can create these kinds of AI-generated videos using this amazing new software I'm about to show you. This software includes AI avatars, face swap, image-to-video, text-to-video background music effects and transitions, and much more. All of this in one easy-to-use platform, allowing you to create unlimited AI videos with ease. If you're someone who enjoys making AI content, then this software is perfect for you. I'll walk you through a complete course on how to use this software, from creating AI videos, generating AI images, to making animated clips. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video to support the content. Let's get started and turn your creativity into a viral success. The software I'm about to use is called Hitpaw Edimacore. I'll provide the link in the description below. Just click it and you'll be taken directly to the official website. And remember, this is a very good software. It's great for AI image to video, AI text to video, background music, and video editing. A lot of useful features are available in this software. Click on Get Started and then download the software. Once the download is complete, install it. Remember, every part of the video is very important. Don't miss any part. Once it's installed, open it and it should appear like this on your screen. There are quite a few options available here: AI avatar, face swap, automatic background removal, AI video generation, auto subtitles, text-based editing, video translator, text-to-speech, voice cloning, and many other options are available here. As you can see, this software offers a lot of powerful features. You can create all kinds of videos very easily. In my opinion, this is one of the best software out there. And when you open the software, you'll see options like image to video, text to video, and AI animation. First, we want to create a video using an image. So, what do we need to do? The first step is to generate an image. For that, we will. And then, you can continue explaining the next step. Go to the YouTube channel that creates the kind of videos you want to make. Once you're on that channel, use the snipping tool to crop and save the images from their videos. Now, if you want to create similar images like those, what should you do? You can continue from here with the method to generate similar images. Open ChatGPT. It's a really great website. Once you open ChatGPT, upload the image first and then type this message: I want to create an image exactly like this. Give me 6 image prompts exactly like this one. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you some really good prompts, almost exactly like the original image. And not just similar, but very high quality prompts too. Next, to generate the image, here you can click on the AI Image tab to generate images. Scroll down and you'll see a variety of preset sizes: YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and more. After that, at the top, you'll notice the 3D cartoon Ghibli style. Click View All, and you'll get access to many different styles in which you can generate AI images in HD. I usually select the 3D style, then copy a prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in. And click on Generate. Within just 5 seconds, it generates an image. Let me show you again. I copy another prompt from ChatGPT, paste it here, and you can see how quickly a new image gets generated. You simply keep copying and pasting prompts like this, and your images will be created one after another. It's honestly a fantastic tool. In my opinion, this is one of the best new AI image generation tools available. You can generate images in multiple styles, and after that, on the right side, you'll see the option to convert image to video. Once you enter your prompt, it will begin turning the image into an AI video. However, for now, I've saved the image and I'm uploading them one by one. You can follow along on your screen. Open HitPaw Editor and click on Upload Image. Then copy the ChatGPT prompts for the image you want to upload. After uploading the image, paste the prompts and click on Generate, and a 5-second video will be created. You can watch the video to see how it turned out. I upload another image the same way. ChatGPT pastes the prompt for that image and another video is made. Check out how I made an amazing AI video like this. Also, check the quality. You can make videos up to 1080p HD and up to 8 seconds long. After that, you can use the text to video option. Just paste your prompt there, select the size you want, and the video will start generating. After that, there are many options like AI transitions, AI animations. Check out how it works with characters. You can also do video editing within this software, and there's a text option with lots of fonts and text styles to choose from. Next, there's the Elements option. You can use it to add things like subscribe buttons, video ads, and many other styles. The next option is Audio, where you can add any background music you want, completely copyright-free. After that comes the Transition option, which includes lots of transitions like zoom in, zoom out, and many other styles. Next is the Filter option, offering a variety of filter styles you can apply based on your preference. Then there's the Subtitle option, where you can add subtitles to your video. Finally, there's the Avatar option, which lets you create avatars and customize them however you like. In my opinion, this software is the best because it has everything you need. It offers AI avatars, face swap, auto background removal, AI video creation, automatic subtitles, text-based editing, video translation, text-to-speech, voice cloning, and many other features. You can create AI videos from images, text to video, and so much more. HitPaw Editor is a cutting-edge AI video editor packed with powerful features such as AI avatars, face swap, automatic background removal, and image-to-video creation. It also offers AI video generation, automatic subtitles, text-based editing, video translation, text-to-speech, and voice cloning. This all-in-one software makes creating high-quality creative videos easy and efficient for both beginners and professionals alike. I'm recommending this software to you because it's a very good AI tool. It has everything, including video editing. If you want to generate AI videos, this is the best choice for you. You should definitely try using it. Plus, you can export videos in very high quality, 2K, 4K, whatever you want. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Next time, I'll bring you another method.